Hello friends, welcome to Solve Loop Quiz Challenge. Today's mission is simple, but not easy. Your challenge is to find the hidden animal in 32 unique optical illusion scenes. Some are easy, some are tricky, and a few might fool even the sharpest eyes. How many can you find before the timer ends? Tell us your final score in the comments, and challenge your family and friends to beat it. Let's get started. Can you spot the unexpected creature in this photo? C. Hamster. Study the image carefully to find the hidden animal. A. Pig. Which animal best matches the one in this image? D. Hippopotamus. Something is hiding in this image. What is it? B. Cow. Can you guess the mystery animal in this image? A. Cat. How many have you found so far? Which animal is hidden in this picture? C. Tiger. Study the image carefully to find the hidden animal. B. Panda. There's a hidden animal in this image. Can you find it? D. Rhinoceros. What animal do you see hidden in this picture? A. Elephant. Can you spot the hidden animal in this illustration? D. Giraffe. Share your score in the comments. What animal do you see hidden in this picture here? C. Lion. Which animal is secretly hidden in this image? B. Zebra. Look beyond the picture and name the animal here. D. Koala. Can you identify the animal you see in this image? A. Fox. Identify the animal hiding in this image here. C. Owl. Don't peek at the answers. Which hidden figure belongs in this picture? B. Kangaroo. Take one more look at the image and guess the animal. D. Penguin. What animal is quietly blending into this image? B. Sloth. Find the hidden animal in this image. Can you name it? A. Gorilla. Can you spot the animal hidden in this image? C. Polar bear. Are you still perfect? Comment 20. What unexpected animal is hidden in this image? B. Wolf. Which animal is the ultimate master of disguise? D. Chameleon. Take a look at the image. Can you guess the animal? A. Peacock. Which mystery animal is hidden in this picture? C. Camel. Can you identify the hidden animal in this image? B. Red panda. Could you please let us know which hidden animal was the trickiest? Something is cleverly concealed in this picture. What is it? C. Flamingo. Can you look beyond the picture and name the animal? A. Hedgehog. Which animal is this in the image? Can you guess? D. Octopus. What animal is hidden in this image? Do you notice it? C. Dolphin. What animal do you see when you look at this image? B. Turtle. Almost there. Which animal has been blended into this picture? D. Deer. One final challenge. What animal is hiding here? A. Rabbit. Thanks for playing along with us today. We hope you enjoyed searching for every hidden animal and testing your observation skills. If you had fun, please like this video, subscribe to Solve Loop, and share it with someone who loves puzzles and brain games. And don't stop here. Click on the next challenge and see if you can improve your score even more. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Please.